Adding a focus to a page in your bookmark website can be accomplished in a few quick steps, saving you tons of time compared to having to build these sections from scratch with individual modules. To start, open to the target page in the builder where you would like to add a focus. For this example, you will add a focus to your About Us page. The next step is to open the Focus tab by clicking on it in the left menu bar. You will see the focus information for this page is automatically displayed as active focuses on this page. This list shows the focus elements that already exist, along with a button to add focus. In this example, the page already features a header and the About focus. To see the list of other focus sections that you can add to this page, click the Add Focus button. Then the focus options will appear in the Add New Focus window where you can see the thumbnail versions of each. Use the scroll bar on the right side of the window to slide up and down the list. There are many different focus options available, listed in alphabetical order. Let's add the Team focus to this page to highlight your restaurant's sous chefs. Simply click the focus in the window and it will automatically be added to the page. You will see it appear in the left menu bar under the About focus. If you hover over that focus, you will see that you can delete it by simply clicking the X, or you can change its order by clicking, dragging, and dropping it before the About focus. You can add as many focus sections as you wish to your site. When you are finished adding a focus, click the back arrow at the top of the Add New Focus window to close it. Then you can easily edit the modules within the focus by hovering over the element and using the edit commands. For more information on editing individual modules, check out our Using Modules how-to video. So this is how you use the focus feature with multiple page templates.